I don't want to do this. I think it's something that I have to do. Oh, great. Okay, I really don't want to do this because this radio, it's been working pretty good. This is something that I wasn't even thinking about when I was installing this radio, but luckily one of my viewers sent me a question. He asked that should this second airbag light for the passenger, should it be here that you can see it? And mostly because of the TÜV inspection. It's in Germany, and here in Switzerland it's called MFK, where they check this car that it's good to go. He's right. I think you should see that. Originally it's here in the dashboard with the original radio, but now it's behind this radio. That means I have to take this panel of this radio off, and I have to find out how can I install this light here somehow that you can see it. Now outside it's about -3 degrees, so let's see how many clips I can break when I will remove this panel. This light here, how can I do that it doesn't look stupid? Okay, this panel, it's a little bit of a problem now. Where can I hide it that you can still see it? I have one idea, which I will try. Hole for this connector, it has to be quite big. This is also something that you can't really see this hole, so it doesn't matter that much. Okay, that's my plan. This panel, it has this kind of rails, both sides. In here, this panel I made slots, and those rails in this panel will go to these slots, and this will kind of press this tight that it won't move. Might be that I will add some hot glue a little bit, that it will be a little bit better. Okay, that's how it looks. What do you think, guys? What did you do with this panel? Do we even need it here? Do we even need this in these inspections like TÜV or MFK? It will shut off actually after some time, after it will do this checking that everything is fine.